There's a secret hidden inside every number, and the key to it all? Prime numbers. But what makes them so special? Primes are numbers that can only be divided by 1 and themselves. Like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They seem simple, right? But here's the twist. Every other number is built from them. They're the building blocks of math, the atoms of numbers. And even after thousands of years, we still don't fully understand their pattern. Mathematicians can't predict when the next prime will appear. It's like trying to guess the next lightning strike. And here's the wild part. Primes protect your passwords, run your internet, and secure your money online. So next time you see a number like 17 or 19, remember you're looking at math's greatest mystery. Get 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 16 equals 256. 256 times 256 equals 65,536. Is 0 even a number? Or is it nothing at all? Let's solve one of math's strangest debates. 0 wasn't always part of math. Ancient civilizations had no symbol for nothing. To them, 0 didn't exist. Then around 500 AD, Indian mathematicians changed everything. They gave nothing a number. 0 became the key to place value, negative numbers, and even calculus. Wait, what actually happens when you divide by 0? It's one of the strangest mysteries in math. And the answer might blow your mind. Let's start simple. Dividing is just splitting something into equal parts. 12 divided by 3? Easy. 4. But when you try to divide by 0, something weird happens. You're basically saying, hey, let's split this into 0 groups. That doesn't make sense. There's no group to put. You've heard of prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. But what if I told you they hide one of the biggest mysteries in math? Primes are the building blocks of all numbers. You can multiply them to create every number in existence. But here's the twist. No one knows why they appear in such a strange, unpredictable pattern. And get this, prime numbers are the reason your online passwords stay safe. They power encryption, banking, and even secret codes. So next time you see a prime, remember, it's not just a number. It's a cosmic mystery we still can't solve. Like a subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. What if I told you the simple number 2 hides a secret pattern that builds the digital world? Start with 1, double it. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. It grows fast, but look closer. Powers of 2 appear everywhere. Computers, pixels, memory, all run on powers of 2. 8 bits in a byte, 1,024 bytes in a kilobyte. It's all 2's magic at work. Even more mind-blowing? If you write powers of 2 in binary, you'll see just 1 1 moving left each time. A perfect digital rhythm hiding in plain sight. So next time you see 2, remember, it's not just a number, it's the heartbeat of technology. Like a subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. What if I told you there's a number that doesn't exist, but math says it does? It's called an imaginary number. Sounds fake, right? But it's actually one of the most powerful ideas in math. It starts with something simple. You can't take the square root of a negative number. But mathematicians said, what if we could? And invented I, the square root of -1? Sounds imaginary, until you realize these numbers help power real-world things, like your phone, electricity, and even 3D game graphics. Without them, modern tech wouldn't exist. So are imaginary numbers real? Maybe not in the way we think, but they make the real world possible. Like a subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. There's a number so strange, it's called imaginary. But without it, your phone, music, and internet wouldn't even work. It all began when mathematicians tried to take the square root of a negative number. Impossible, right? Then came the idea of I, the imaginary unit. A number that represents the square root of -1. Suddenly, impossible math problems had answers. And here's the twist. Imaginary numbers turned out to be real tools. They're in the equations that make sound waves, power grids, and computer graphics work. So yeah, imaginary numbers might not exist, but without them, reality itself would look pretty different. Like a subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Think math is just numbers on paper? Think again. It's secretly running your entire world. Every time your GPS gives directions, it's solving complex geometry problems. When Netflix suggests your next show, that's linear algebra and probability at work. Architects use calculus to make buildings both strong and beautiful. Game designers use physics equations to make virtual worlds feel real. And cryptographers use number theory to keep your messages safe. So next time you say you'll never use math in real life, remember, it's literally everywhere. Math isn't just in textbooks, and it's the code behind reality. Like a subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Imagine counting. Not 1, 2, 3, but 1, 10, 11, 100 factorial. What's going on? Welcome to binary, a world where numbers only use zeros and ones. Humans use base 10 because we have 10 fingers. But what if we'd evolved with 8? We might use base 8. Then 8 wouldn't even exist. It'd be written as 10. Computers? They already live in their own number world, base 2. And ancient Babylonians? They used base 60. That's why we have 60 seconds in a minute. So next time you count to 10, remember, our math could have looked completely different. What base do you think would be coolest to use? Like a subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.